Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today we are joined by John Barry. He is a CEO and founder of Quantify Crypto. John will be talking a little bit about the Coinscreener today. John, hi, how are you? Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Okay, thank you, Bitcoin Queen. I am doing great. I guess I'll start. I have about 30 years experience in the tech field, including 23 years at the New York Stock Exchange. I was a technical director at the exchange for speed and performance was my major role. And I did this when high frequency trading was just starting. Yes, I am that old. But I did really well. I worked with multiple teams and I got rewarded with the chairman's award because our systems really did great.
That's awesome.
Um, After my son introduced me to crypto and I started trading crypto, I was amazed at how crypto trading was the wild, wild west. Because I'm used to traders trading on the New York Stock Exchange and all this great information. And I came to crypto and it was really hard to track and know what was going on. And so we decided to take a lot of the profits we made in crypto and to start Quantify Crypto.
Tell me a little bit more about what this Coinscreener does exactly and what do you use it for?
Okay, the real reason and function for a coin screener is to really track and scan what's going on in the market. So screeners are a great and valuable tool to see valuable investment opportunities quickly and easily. You can see multiple investment methods, you can see different strategies, but it's really great for filtering and sorting. For example, it starts in order from rank of market cap from highest to lowest. But if I want to see which cryptocurrency is trading the highest or has changed the most in price in one day, I can click on this column heading that says one day, and it will show me that Axiar is down the most today. But if you look at the 30 days, you can see that is the coin that is up 562%. So congratulations if you own that cryptocurrency. I click on the one day again, and it shows me the cryptocurrencies that are moving up the highest today. I can do this for the 30-day, and we'll see good old Axelar is right on top with Fetch AI and Lido DAO, which I have as marked as a favorite, is also doing very well today. Um, Additionally, we have many fields here. You can see support, which is the lower level price that a crypto will go down to, and then theoretically have very strong buying come in. You'll see resistance where this cryptocurrency might have gone up a little bit too much too quickly. You can see like in this red one on LCX, it's up 22% today. And so we are seeing a red trigger that I would say you should take some profits.
How is this better than CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko?
Okay, CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, they do a great job. They really do a great job. But the thing is, they cover every single cryptocurrency from every single exchange, and they do a good job of that. But there are over 13,000 cryptocurrencies. And frankly, a lot of these you have never even heard of. They trade on exchanges you have never heard of. And a lot of them are actually dead projects. Some of them are scams, but most of them are really not cryptos you can invest in. Um, and their focus is on gathering data. For instance, I met somebody once from On-Chain FX, which has since been bought out by Mazzari, and he was explaining to me how On-Chain FX did a better job of calculating the market cap than CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. And that's a great conversation. I'm all for that, but that's not the quantified crypto model, because in quantified crypto, we're really made for people that trade, and what we have in quantified crypto are the 500 most tradable assets in the crypto space. And what I mean by that is we do some fundamental analysis to have the highest 500. We go on volume. You know, all the cryptocurrencies we have are the highest volume, the highest traded cryptos that are on this out there. They are all traded on reputable exchanges that you can get to. We do not cover stable coins because to me, a stable coin is just if things are going down, I want to get out of Bitcoin. I want to just sell it into a stable coin. So we don't have stable coins because it's really not an investment. It's really this is my safety spot, hopefully, when I'm selling my Bitcoin. Additionally, we don't have wrapped or staked coins because that's really a representative of the host crypto. For instance, we do cover Bitcoin, but we don't have wrapped Bitcoin, which is always the same price as Bitcoin, or should be the same price. But to avoid duplication, we don't have wrapped or staked assets. And we do that because screen space is valuable and you want as many assets as you can on your screen. So the short answer is we are made for people that are ready to make a trade and want a good entry point or an exit point for their transaction.
So, John, can you review some of the column headliners? Some of them seem different from what you've seen on CoinMarketCap.
Okay. First, we have technical metrics actually that help traders. Specifically, we have things like the trend, the support, resistance, safety, and these are all important metrics and are described on our website. This video is really just a brief overview of how the Coinscreener works, but it's important to use technical metrics to improve your trading performance. And so that's what we add compared to what CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko really do not have.
So, what exactly are the tabs that are on top?
On the tabs on top show you important things. For instance, if I want to see more about the trend, I can click on the trend tab and it will show me every single time frame for the trend. It will show me 7 different time periods for the trend. I can do this also for the RSI, and it'll show me multiple RSI candlestick periods. Often you'll hear a commentator say, oh, the RSI is very low and you should do ABC. But at Quantify Crypto, we like to see the RSI for multiple time periods and say, well, we have 5 time periods that say the RSI indicates a good entry. Or I have the MACD that says we're bullish for Bitcoin on the majority of the MACD indicators. Actually, on this example, we are bullish on all MACD indicators, and we are inside the Bollinger Bands for all of them. So we like to look at multiple indicators and multiple time frames, and our research has shown that all these indicators, when they're most bullish, is when it's the best time. So just don't rely on one indicator. Rely on multiple indicators for multiple time periods.
So, John, is it possible to filter the cryptos by exchange?
Oh, absolutely. For example, we have this drop down right here. And right now they're set up to all exchanges, but I know if I'm just trading on Coinbase and I can only trade on Coinbase, I can just say, these are the coins on Coinbase. And so I will just see the Coinbase coins. And this is another way of saving space on your screen where you don't really want to see coins that you can't trade.
So, what are the star and alarm characters in the left-hand tab?
Okay, those are your favorites. I'm just going to enable all exchanges again. But what the star is, these are your favorite coins. So if I wanted to, right now I have Bitcoin and Ethereum marked as favorites. If I wanted to add BNB, which is the Binance coin, as a favorite, I can click on the star in the upper right corner and I will just display my favorite coins.
Get more information, a trader, about a specific coin, what exactly do they have to do?
Oh, it's easy. All they have to do is click on the coin. Let's say I click on Ethereum, and we have a whole page dedicated to Ethereum. There's the important links, the Ethereum homepage, Explorer, the GitHub, community links, a description about Ethereum. We have our trend metrics that shows Ethereum is currently bullish. It became bullish at $1,195 on Monday, January 2nd. And 9 days later, it is still bullish and it's gone up almost 12%.
John, real quick before we go, did you have any last comments to help people trade?
Yes, I do. I just want to show also, we do have the chart, a price chart on each coin page. And that's very handy, and you can set up for different time periods and you can use their analytics with this widget. But what people don't look at are our resources, specifically our trading tips. And we have great knowledge in here. And I think it was Warren Buffett who said, it's good to learn from your mistakes, but it's even better to learn from somebody else's mistakes so you don't make them. And so a lot of the recommendations that have bit me in the past are actually in this. And the most important thing is don't trade on margin. But that's another video, I guess. But thank you so much.